The flames were breaking out below. The deck was ablaze. Men who were left alive made haste to launch a small boat. They lit on it and rowed swiftly away. As any other now, there was a safer place for them to stay. There's a powder in a hole. But the captain's son, Pierre Casablanca, still stood on deck. The flames were almost around him, but he would not stir from his post. His father had bidden him to stand there. He had been taught always to obey. He trusted on his father's words and believed when the right time came, he would let him go. He saw the man leap into the boat. He heard them call to him to come. He shook his head. When father bids me, I will go, he said. And now, the flames were leaping up to the mast. The sails were all ablaze. The fire blew hot on his cheek.